Morning class 6. So today we'll be starting the annual term chapter. This is chapter 7, verb. Verb are divided into three main classes. Verb is, what is the definition of verb? Verb is something which is defines action. Okay. Now, how many type of verbs are there? There are three types of verb: transitive, intransitive, and auxiliary. So let's first move on to transitive verb. A verb is transitive if action does not stop with the doer or subject but passes over to an object. That is called an transitive verb when it is passes to the object, okay, from the subject. The boy killed a snake. So the boy is the subject, and what it killed a snake is the object. The action denoted by the verb killed passes over from the subject boy to the object snake. The very killed is therefore a transitive verb. So now comes the intransitive verb. An intransitive verb, the action stops with the doer or a subject and does not passes over to the object. So intransitive verb means it remains to the subject, it does not passes. Transitive, it passes from subject to object, okay. Now let's move on to the example. The sun shines. So the action denote verb shines stops the doers or the subject. Subject is sun. It is stopping na. After the verb it shines. After that there is no passing to the object. The verb shines is therefore an intransitive verb. Here see the 2 points. Transitive means passing from subject to object, and intransitive means not passing to the object. Both transitive and intransitive verb are principal verbs. So these are main verbs, okay. An intransitive verb may denote an action or expresses a state of being. So what happens? The intransitive verb denotes an action or expresses a state of being. So for example, the star twinkles. That is action, it's stating an action. What the star does? It twinkles. The baby sleeps. What does the baby does? It sleeps. That is a state of being. And there is flaw in this diamond. So what is there in the diamond? Flaw. That is state or being, okay. So there is the intransitive verb have what? Action, express a state or being, okay. So let's move on to the auxiliary verb. Helps to form a tense or mood of some principal verb. Auxiliary verb is just helping verb or helping the some principal verb. Or what is principal verb? That is a main verb, okay. Forgoes to own significance as a principal verb for that purpose. I have come from home. So here is the example of auxiliary verb helping the main verb. What is the main verb? Come, okay. And what it is helping? Have. Auxiliary verb have. Here have forgoes its own significance. Example, possession. It helps the principal or non-auxiliary verb come to a form, a present perfect tense. So look at the following sentences. So it helps the auxiliary verb, it helps the principal or a non-auxiliary verb come to form the present perfect tense, okay, like past tense, present tense, present perfect, past perfect, that forms it helps, okay, auxiliary verb. Like example, she is going home. You will win a prize is auxiliary, will here. I can solve this question. He was playing cricket. So they are playing, it is helping, auxiliary verb is helping the principal verb, okay. Like playing is a principal verb, a main verb. So was is an auxiliary verb, like that. So here are the there are the exercise work which I'll give you. Now let's move on to auxiliary verb can be divided into two kinds: primary auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. See here, Now let's move on to what is a primary auxiliary. Okay. Primary auxiliaries are am, is, are, was, were, do, does, did, have, has, had. And what is modal auxiliary? Will, would, shall, should, can, could, might, must, am to, is to, are to, have to, etc., ought to, used to, did to, dare to. These are called modal auxiliaries. Primary auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. He is a rich man. That will come under the category of primary auxiliary. He will go. That will come in modal auxiliary. Okay, these are the categories under auxiliary verb. Primary auxiliary can be used independently in form of a main verb. So main verb is rich. Here number 2 is much. Okay, see, much, rich. So it is independent use in main verb. Here modal auxiliary cannot be used independently in form of main verb. So will, that is a modal auxiliary. Might. Okay, so I will be giving you this. You can do it, okay, in your copies.